Hi children, today we are going to continue with the subtopic explore number. Okay, explore numbers. You can turn your textbook to page 4. Okay, so here we have two examples. Okay, two examples. So let us look at the first example here, number 1. Okay, come let us look at the information that given to us. The Football Association of Malaysia, FAM, confirmed today that 62,307 match tickets have been sold. Okay, I repeat. The Football Association of Malaysia, FAM, confirmed today that 62,307 match tickets have been sold. Okay, now we look at A. What is the place value and digit value of 6 in 62,307? So the question here is asked about place value and digit value. So what are the place value that you already learned from year 1 to year 4? You have the smallest place value. What is place value? Okay, place value is the position of a digit in a numbers. Okay, place value is the position where does the digit sit. Okay, place value is a position of a digit in a number. Is a digit in a number. Let's say this number. Okay, the digit that you have is 6, 2, 3, 0, 7. So how many digits do you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this number you have 5 digits. So each digit is placed on each particular position. Okay, the smallest one is, what is the smallest place value? Is ones. Okay, ones. The next one will be tens. Another one, next one, bigger than tens is 100. Yes, is hundreds. And then you have thousands, and then 10,000. Okay? So this is what we call place value. Okay? So the question is asking of digit 6, of 6. So now you look at 6. What is the place value for 6? So here you see digit 6 is at 10,000. Yes, 6 is at 10,000. Okay, so now we look at the digit value. Okay, what is digit value? Digit value is the value of a digit. Okay, the value of a digit based on its place value. Yes, we need to look at the place value to determine the value of a digit. Okay, let's say 7. What is the value of 7? You have 7 ones. That means the value for 7 is 7. Okay, now we look at tens. What is the value of, what is the digit value of 0? Is 0, right? 0, 10, that means 0. Okay. And then 3. What is the digit value for 3? So you need to look at the place value. It's at hundreds. That means you have 3 hundreds. Okay. How about 2? 2 is at thousand place. Okay, so that means you have 2,000. So here is 2,000. Okay, Now the question asks for 6. So what is the digit value for 6? 6 is at 610,000. So that means the value of this 6 will be 60,000. So digit 6 has a value of 60,000. Okay, now we look at another one. Okay. The place value of 3. And now we want the place value. Where is the position of 3? Okay. So we look at 3 here. 3 is at hundreds. So the place value of 3 is hundreds. Make sure you have S at the back. Okay. The digit value of 2. The digit value. Digit value is how much the value of the digit. Okay. How much is 2,000. So here write down 2,000. Okay. And now we look at B. Partition. Okay. Partition. We have two types of partition. One partition is based on place value. Another partition is based on digit value. Okay, you look at the question. Partition 62,307 based on place value and digit value. Based on place value, that means you are going to use the chart again. Okay, this one is based on place value. So how are you going to write? Okay, make sure you write down the number first. Okay, write down the number. So equal, you start from the biggest place value. The biggest place value will be ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. So you can write down here 6 10,000s. 6 10,000s. And then followed by 2,000s. 2,000 plus 300s. 300s plus 0 tens. 0 tens plus 7 ones. Okay, so this is partition based on place value. So you can see all the place value here. Okay, so if the digit is 0, okay, you still need to write down 0. Okay, 0 tens. Okay, you cannot ignore the 0. So now we look at the partition based on digit value. Okay, here digit value. So every time we try to start from the biggest number. So we start with 6. So the 6 is 60,000 plus 2. 2 is 2,000 plus 3. 3 is 300 plus 0. 0 still 0, no value. Okay, and then plus 7. Okay, so we take all the digit value. Okay, or you also can do like this. Okay, what is the difference between these two? What is the difference? See, the number is the same. You see? Okay, you see? The second answer, they didn't write down plus 0. What does it mean? Okay, 0, no value. Okay, if no value, you can skip this 0 for partition based on digit value, because you still can get the same answer at the end. So these two can be used. If you want to write down 0, you write down 0. If you don't want to write down 0, then no need to write down the 0. But for place value, you must write down 0 tenths. Okay? So there is a tips here. Say 0 can be left out when partitioning numbers based on digit value. Okay, but you cannot do that for based on place value. Partition based on place value. Okay, cannot, huh? Okay, now we look at another example. Example 2 here. Okay, let's look at this. What are the unknown values? Unknown, what is unknown? Unknown is the number that you don't know, right? Okay, so look at the number that given to you. So what is this? What is the first one? This one is partition, right? Okay, partition, the number based on the digit value, right? Okay, so how are we going to look for this unknown? Okay, so how are we going to check? So we do the same, okay? Same. So now here we have 80,000. See, do you have 80,000 here? Yes. How do you know this one is 80,000? Based on the place value. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. So 10,000 is 80,000. Okay, we already have. And we have 30. 30 is 310. Yes, we have. We have 9. Yes, we have. So what is the digit that we haven't put in the answer? 4. Okay, 4. What 4 is this? What is the digit value for this 4? Ones, tens, 100. So it's 400. So you can write down 400. How about 0? Okay, just now we have seen the example for number 1B, right? Okay, so we can left out the 0. Okay, the second one is partition based on place value. Okay, so we will do it the same way we do for digit value. Okay, add 10,000. Where is add 10,000? Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. Add 10,000. Yes, it's here. And then 9 ones. Okay, 400, 0,000, 0,000. So what is the unknown value here? So we have 30. So the unknown value is 30. Okay? So if you look at this one, the partition that we see here, they didn't follow the biggest to the smallest. Okay? So they can put wherever they want. Okay? Why? Because it is plus. Okay? So if the question didn't arrange the number from the biggest number to the smallest number, okay, don't worry. You can check one by one. Okay? Also, the same thing happened to this partition based on the place value. They didn't arrange from the biggest to the smallest. Okay? So now we have one question here to discuss. Okay? 4 plus 70 plus 100 plus 65,000 equals to 65,174. Is, the question here, is 65,174 partitioned correctly? Discuss. Okay. Can we do the partition of this number like this? What do you think? Can or not? Can? Can? Are you sure can? Okay, let us see. 4. Do you have 4 ones? Yes. 70. Do you have 70? Yes. 100. Do you have 100? Yes. And 65. Here's 65. Can we write these two together? Is this completely done? 65,000? No, right? So what should we write here? We should have here 5,000, right? Plus 5,000 and plus 60,000, right? So is 65,174 partitioned correctly? What is your answer? No, right? No. Because 65,000, you still can do the partition. Okay? So, that's all. Thank you.